Dal, Zal, and
Ra.
yeah, Ra.
And one time from the Ra to first letter. Dal, Zal, Ra, and Ra, Zal, Dal. Hurry up.
Dal, Zal, Ra. Dal, Zal, Ra. Dal, Zal, Ra.
And
Dal,
one
Zal.
time from the Ra to Dal. Ra, Zal, Dal. One time go to reverse.
What?
It's rule of reading. Dal, Zal, Ra, then Ra,
Dal,
Ra, Zal, Dal. Stay looking on lesson also. Look on your lesson also. You don't play during reading.
not playing.
Okay. Carefully, carefully. What is my favorite student name?
Nadim.
Yeah, please look carefully and read. First, one time from the beginning and one time from the last letter. Dal, Zal, Ra, then Ra, Zal, Dal. Continue. Don't stop.
Dal, Zal, Ra. Dal, Zal, Ra.
Okay.
Dal,
Okay. Dal, Zal, Ra, then Ra, Zal, Dal.
Dal, Dal, Zal, Ra. 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 Za.
Ra.
Da.
Look on lesson Ra.
Dal, Ra.
Read with me.
Ra. Dal, Dal.
Read with me. Read with me.
Ra.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Look on the lesson Ra. Read with me. Ra,
Ra.
Zal, what are you doing? You are not reading with me.
Nothing.
Read with me. Look also. Ra,
Ra.
Zal,
Za.
Za, no, Zal.
I know that. Za.
Yeah, good student. Middle letter is Zal. What? Zal.
Zal. I know that.
Good. Nadine is good
A
student.
good dude.
Yeah, but she is reading wrong today. Why? Without carefully.
I'm reading right. What do you mean? Za. Dal. And Ra.
No.
That's right.
No. Last letter Ra before Zal.
Dal. Zad. Ra.
Yeah, okay.
That good?
Dal, Zal, and Ra. And one time Ra, Zal, Dal. It's rule reading. But you are not reading this rule today. I am waiting. Please start in this rule. Then I will happy from my favorite student Nadin. Chill out. Good. Good student. Try it. Very easy. Nice student. Nice. Very good. Continue. Stay looking on lesson. Another size don't look.
Dal, Zal, and Ra. Dal, Zal, and Ra.
What is this letter?
Dal, Zal, and Ra. Dal, Zal, and Ra.
What is
Dal,
this?
Zal, and Ra. Ra.
From the Ra read now. Ra, Zal, Dal. It rule. Okay, now go to reverse from the last letter.
I thought you said that's the wrong way how to read it.
Okay, wrong way to go to wrong way. Ra, Zal, Dal. Okay, yeah. Ra, Zal, Dal. It's exercise.
Dal, Zal.
No, no, no. From the last letter read. Ra, Zal, Dal. Ra,
Ra.
Zal, Dal.
Dal, Zal.
No, you are reading without carefully. This read. I was say, but you are not understanding. I was say from the last letter start now. From the last letter read. From the Ra. Go to first letter. Ra, Zal, Dal. Ra, Zal, Dal. Huh?
Zal, Dal, Zal.
No, 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 no. You are not looking. I think you are not looking at lesson.
I'm looking.
No, no, you are not reading carefully today. I don't know what is this. Now, last letter read.
Dal,
No, 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 Dal. Last letter what?
Zal,
This one last.
Ra,
Yeah, this last. Before. Look screen. Before what? With one dot. Can you see my screen?
yeah,
What is the last letter?
Ra,
Before that what?
Dal,
Dal and Zal with one dot.
Zal,
Yeah, good. Before?
Ra.
No, no, before this Ra.
I don't know.
Why you are don't know? Every day I am teaching you, but you are say every day I don't know. Why? You are forget.
I don't know.
Why? What is the last letter?
Ra,
And before that what?
Za,
Za?
I said Za,
Zal. L. Zal. What?
Zal.
Zal. And before that, without dot. It's dal. What?
Dal.
Yeah. Stay looking on lesson and read. Dal, dal, dal.
Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal. Dal.
After that, with one dot. Hmm?
Dal.
No, after that.
After what?
After the dal, what letter? Middle letter with one dot.
Zal.
Good. Dal, zal, both read now.
Ra.
Okay. Ra is last letter. Okay. Complete read now all. All letters read.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I am saying from the first letter go to last letter. Dal, zal, ra. Then ra, zal, dal. One time reverse, one time from the first letter. Dal, zal, ra. Look carefully and
Dal.
listen to me.
Zal.
Listen to me carefully. I teach you a rule. When I will read, you understand what is using the rule of reading. I am dal, zal, ra, and ra, zal, dal. Also look on screen. Dal, zal, ra, ra, zal, dal. Dal, zal, ra, ra, zal, dal. Understand the rule?
Yeah.
Yeah. Use this rule.
Dal. Zal. Ra.
Ra, zal, dal.
Ra. Za. Dal.
Okay. Dal, zal, ra, and ra, zal, dal. Look screen. Look on the screen and read.
I don't see a screen. I just see black.
Okay, I am sharing again. I think today problem in sharing screen. What is my favorite student name?
Nadeem.
But yeah, okay, carefully read. What it is? Dal, zal, ra,
Da.
and ra, zal, dal.
Da. Zara.
And ra, zal, dal. Continue.
Ra. Dal.
Before the ra, before of ra, what letter? Dal. You are reading before ra, dal. Can I this dal? You are reading this dal. It's dal. What is this?
No, then why are you yelling at me?
Why you are reading dal? It's not dal. It's with one dot. It's z, dal, 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 dal,
Okay, could you stop not yelling at me?
dal, dal. Carefully read.
Ra. Da.
What is this letter? Last. It's last, and this middle, and this first. From the last, start.
Ra.
Before. And before.
I don't understand what you're talking about because it's black.
Screen again black.
Yeah. Stop
Okay.
sharing your screen.
Okay. Now. Start.
Start what?
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. In yellow circle, what letter?
Dal.
And in red, yellow,
Za.
in yellow.
I don't see yellow.
Okay, wait.
Za.
Okay, read with me. La ilaha
La ilaha
illallah
illallah
Muhammadur
Muhammadur
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
La ilaha
La ilaha
illallah
illallah
Muhammadur
Muhammadur
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
In yellow, what letter?
Dal.
Dal. Okay. In green.
Zal.
Okay. Allahu Akbar. In blue.
That is Ra.
Green. You are wasting the time. Why you are not reading quickly? Green.
Green. Za.
Za.
Zal.
Yeah. It's not za. It's zal. Okay, good. Yellow. Yellow.
Dal.
Good student name.
Nadine.
Nadi is good student. She is reading good today. Tell me. Okay, from tomorrow carefully read. Okay, my favorite student. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, did it now. This lesson.
Righteousness is a
Righteousness.
good attitude.
Righteousness. Righteousness. Is a good attitude. Don't stop. Continue.
Rightness is a good attitude.
Why rightness? Where is rightness? It's not rightness. It's righteousness. Righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness. 20 times repeated. Righteousness. Righteousness.
Rightness.
Righteousness.
Rightness.
Why you are reading rightness? It's not rightness.
Say it that way.
Righteousness. Righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude. Repeat it.
Rightness is a good attitude. 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 Righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude. Rightness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude.
Okay, my favorite student name.
Nadine.
Nadim is a
Good student.
good student. How is your hair today? Head hair.
Good.
Good. Good.
Yeah.
Mashallah, very good looking in scarf. Nice looking. Okay, use the scarf every day. Everywhere. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Say Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Goodbye.